Chapter 30. The Trouble with Statistics. The trouble with statistics is that people take them too seriously, and much of the time they are meaningless. At their best, they give us a distorted picture. Take, for example, the statistics on marriage and divorce. They seem to imply that marriage in America is becoming a disaster. Is this really true? First of all, some years ago statistics excluded many minority groups. For example, American Indians did not go through American legal processes to marry and divorce until World War II. Before that, native customs and in some tribes, polygamy prevailed. Because the Army gave only one allotment check per husband, the war quickly ended polygamy, and American legal forms began to grow among Indians. One result was an increase in the number of divorces reported statistically. Nothing had changed. The statistics were now more inclusive and thus made the situation, quote, worse, end quote. Second, statistics give only a numerical story. They do not reveal strength. While divorces indeed have increased, a polarization has taken place. Weak marriages break up more readily, but stronger marriages are more in evidence than ever before. Millions more parents are now paying for Christian schooling for their children than was the case 40 and 50 years ago. These all represent stronger families than America has seen for more than a century. A longer life expectancy means that more elderly people are alive now than was the case 50 and 100 years ago. Millions of them are cared for by their families. Much more can be said, but it is sufficient to summarize the matter thus. The family, where it is Christian in faith and practice, is now remarkably strong and getting stronger daily. Stop looking at the disaster cases. The truth is that we are witnessing the rebirth of family power. The very problems and moral delinquencies of our day are bringing more and more families to a rigorous grounding in the fundamentals of faith and family life. I know all about the sexual revolution and the attacks on the family. I also know that the strength of the family is growing. The commandment to honor our parents is one which promises life for obedience. Ephesians 6:1-3 and Exodus 20:12.